If someone's thinking about joining a vocational education program, I would tell them to 100% go for it because I've learned so much about myself and about what I want to do with my life in this welding class. There's so many things that we've done in here that, I could put on a resume or a college application that could really just, put me above the crowd. Like, we're the only class in history to ever do projects for the state of Texas. That's going to put me above the crowd. Yeah, so I joined the program just because I've always been interested in, doing stuff with my hands and building things out of just like kind of our own image. I learned that this class was a whole lot more than just that. I've learned so much about social skills, talking to new people, meeting new people, and I've learned so much about the trades, building things. I've learned so much in this class, way more than any other class I've ever taken. It's built me up as a person and a man. It's really made me want to pursue the trades a whole lot more. So being in this program definitely really shaped how I think about my future in accepting the trades more and considering that as an option for my future. I was taught as a kid that, I need to go to college and stuff to get a good job, but I've learned that there's so much more than that in the workforce. I can be a tradesman and make really good money and learn a lot more as a person. So I think programs like this matter because it teaches you things you're not going to learn anywhere else, and it teaches you how to be hardworking and honest and, just a lot of other core things like that. I think vocational education needs to be put back into schools as a forefront way more than it is now, because these are the skills that are really going to get you good jobs and just teach you how to be a better person in life. I'm Brady Carr. I'm a senior at Champion High School, and I'm a very proud member of the Vick Welding program.